are so excited to be going back on the skis today. We've had so much fun fishing off the boat with the fam, and I feel like we've really dialed in our bottom fishing with the Damashi. We are testing out our theory that our jet ski scares all the fish away because it's louder than the other one. Literally, we'll go out at the same time, do the same routes, use similar lures, and we've never gotten a trolling bite. And Hana's dad has caught so many pelagics trolling. My theory is that it's our jet ski and it's not us. It's probably just us. Hana's dad's letting us try his jet ski today. He's gonna take out a different one and we get to see if our theory is right and our jet ski is cursed, or if we're just idiots and we're doing something wrong. No gaff. Hana says she's gonna punch it in the head. Hey, thank you. You don't have to punch him in the head. You don't catch today, we give up. We give up forever.
Okay, we're setting up some damashis to maybe get some bait. We don't have an aerator, but
and we don't have a live bait hook.
We're missing a lot of things, but we're hoping the odds are in our favor.
We just pick whatever is going to be the hardest to do.
Literally.
And we do that.
This is our favorite. We always catch with these colors, so hopefully they turn out good luck.
She's on. The minute we got here. What does it feel like?
It's getting like not as strong.
Getting not as strong?
Yeah. God, I'm sorry. Oh, I got 3! Woo! Oh, we're so fucking heavy. We fish now.
We're like conjuring.
Yeah.
This is our new position.
Good balance. This is our current technique. It's called the think smarter, not harder.
We got a buku! Guys, we had no idea.
We were just like, la 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 la, let's change out the bait.
I'm like, wait, it kind of feels heavy.
Got it?
Yeah, bring it. There comes a point in our fishing day when we will try anything and everything.
All brain cells are lost. Let's see if this guy catches something. We are 4 for 0, so we're doing pretty good today.
What do I do?
There we go. Press the gas.
That was terrifying. I almost got stranded.
Oh my gosh. Which one do you like the best?
Which one?
He said busted that open.
Okay. We did it!
Whoa, that was intense.
But you always do that.
So, we're back. That was so bad. We're back for a catch and cook, our first good, decent haul of a fish. We'll actually feed our family tonight.
No more rockfish.
Yeah.
We broke our curse.
We broke our curse. We
So,
finally caught something.
It was true.
Okay. Hopefully we'll get a bigger one.
Yeah.
Next time.
We still haven't.
We're thankful for what we got.
We still haven't gotten a trolling bite.
Yeah. No trolling bites yet.
And it was the jet ski. So now we're gonna use that jet.
Maybe ours. I don't know. Something was wrong with ours. Nothing's wrong with it, but
It was in our head.
it was in our head, and
But that's okay.
because we did it.
We did it.
Here we go.
We're actually feeding the family.
Yeah.
We were like, no. Peter, are you proud of us? We got actual fish.
You guys didn't catch
What?
that. You guys didn't catch that.
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
CJ
you
gave
did.
it to you.
No, he didn't.
He literally told me he gave us to you.
No, he didn't.
I'm just funny.
You're so mean. A new knife.
It
So
literally
now
looks like a pirate sword.
I'm gonna sword fight.
We did it.
It's so pretty.
Wow. Thanks, mister.
I like it. I don't want to break it. It's
I
so
know.
pretty.
It looks like gorging.
And this one's like spicy.
Oh yeah, the smoothie pie.
Really? I'm gonna waste away.
Be able to see me no more.
I'm gonna put wanted posters up.
I love you.
Got a PR package from our dream
Our
collaborator, Tokunagas. I don't know if they saw our TikTok or our video or just that amazing uncle that helped us
Uncle
put in
Dave.
the good word. But
Thank you, Uncle Dave.
yeah, thank you guys. We're so excited for this. We both screamed when they wrote
Yes.
us.
We literally screamed. We called each other and we're like, so cute. Aww.
Pinky dinky. Beanies. Guess we gotta go back to Volcano.
So cute, and they have the little
Tag.
tag.
Wow. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Can't wait
We're
to wear these.
so excited. I love this.
I know, they're
Big
cute.
Island?
Cute, cute, cute. That needs to be a woman.
Yeah, we're gonna add some hair.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tokunaga.
Thank you.